Good evening, my beautiful people. I go by the name Shota de Olusegun. This is the proof of Riemann hypothesis as it is solved by formula of everything explained part 3. In this video, I want us to dissect the possibility of having convergence when the s of zeta function is actually greater than 1, and our formula of everything has solved this in relation to the zeta function. So now, therefore, zeta function is converging towards pi squared over 6. That is when the s value is actually 2. So we have it to converge towards that value, unlike harmonic series that diverge when the s of zeta function is actually greater than 1. So that's what we're going to dissect. So I'm going to use another diagram to explain this. So we have formula of everything. Then the formula of everything is dt dm equal to capital Um plus 4m. When we use the mass worth of electron, then you can see what we have under the first phase result. So the results that we're going to get will be what we have been doubly underlined, which is 2,277,250,000 kilogram. That's our classical mass worth. Now, when we substitute that classical mass worth right inside the formula of everything, we're going to have this value, which is 5.7 times 10 raised to power 48. Now, when we'll expand that in standard form, we can see where the base value of electron, which is 9,109, is being suspended, which is at 32nd position. So now we need to manually annihilate that, and that will be synonymous to free fall, which is the classical gravity. So to manually annihilate, we have the 9,109 over 10 raised to power 32. When we'll expand that fraction further and solve it to be 9.109 times 10 raised to power minus 32 kilogram. Now the result that we have is the decayed worth, which is different from the initial electron's mass worth. So we have the shift to be at 0.5. So now we move to the second phase result. We substitute the decayed quantum mass worth inside the formula. We have the classical mass worth to be 277,725,000 kilogram. Now the classical mass worth is being decayed almost about 2 billion worth. So when we put that value inside the formula, we have 6.9 times 10 raised to power 47. When we'll expand that in standard form, the base value, which has decayed to 11109, is being suspended at 31st. So now